Hello and welcome to another how-to video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fit bonnet struts to your Subaru. Now, bonnet struts are a fantastic mod for any vehicle that doesn't have them fitted as a standard feature. Not only do they clean up the look of the engine bay and make it easier to work on the car, but simply opening the bonnet is so much easier and enjoyable as you no longer have to figure out where the bonnet support rod is meant to sit. Before we jump into this, let's quickly talk brands. Now, I use cheap eBay struts, and as you can see, there are quite a few cheap kits out there. Now, I've run this eBay kit for the last 4 years, and for $38 I've had no issues whatsoever. Now, if you want to go something brand name, Grimspeed have you sorted. While the price tag is a lot higher, you can see the brackets are better supported, and they highlight the fact that the hood struts open 35% higher than the other competitors, which would certainly make a difference. Regardless of what you get, the installation process is going to be very similar. However, in this video, I'm going to focus on installing my eBay spec bonnet strut kit to my SG Forester. Now, this is a very simple mod, so all you need is a 12mm spanner or socket and a 10mm spanner. I'm going to reuse the old kit from my old project car, so I'm just going to pull it out and then show you the step-by-step installation on my new Forester XD project. So the first thing you want to do is pop the bonnet and secure it with the factory bonnet support rod. Next, you want to locate the center bolt that holds your fender. You can start on either side, however I've chosen to start from the left hand side. Once the bolt is removed, replace with a supply ball-headed bolt and washer. I somehow lost the footage to this part, but you get the gist. Next, remove the most forward bolt on the bonnet bracket and fit the supplied strut bracket. I believe the bracket from the Grimspeed kit utilizes both bolts, so an extra set of hands to support the bonnet is recommended. In the case of my eBay kit, ensure the bowl on the bracket sits forward and outward of the bonnet. Now you can fit the gas strut. In my case, the strut is secured by a pin that slides in and locks the strut into position. Once one of the struts is in place, it should be able to hold the weight of the bonnet, and you can remove the support rod to access the other side. Please make sure you have something supporting the bonnet at all times, as I don't want the bonnet to fall on you while you work underneath it. If you feel unsure, get a friend to support the bonnet for you. Now that one side is done, repeat the process on the other side. Now that the struts are in place, you can remove the old bonnet support rod and chuck it out for that clean look. I use some vice grips to pull out the plastic rod holding clip as well to further clean up the engine bay look. And that's it. Now you have some awesome new bonnet struts that are going to make working on your car that little bit easier, and they really clean up the look of the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to support me, you can go and check out my FanBeach account, and I'll see you next time. See ya.